Hi everybody, welcome back to the Crochet Nurse. Today what we're going to do is our November Crochet Kit of the Month 2021 unboxing. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification box below. So I know we just did this like a week and a half ago where we got the October. Well, here it is again. So I think they're trying to catch up on their shipping from Mary Maxim, and so a week and a half ago we did the last one, and now we're going to do this one, which is perfectly okay because I'm ready to do this. I'm done with the other package already, so ready to move on to the next one. FYI, for those who are not aware, I got an email last week. They did go up in price for Mary Maxim. It used to be $9.99 for the first month and then $14.99 for every subsequent month. The price, I am informed, is now $16.99 per month, but I did not see that they increased the shipping charges. And so when I did the math, it used to be $14.99 plus $8 shipping, which was $22.94. And then they reduced the price of the shipping, and it was $19.98 because the price of shipping went down to $5. Now they've increased the price of the kit to $16.99, so it should be roughly $21 and some change is what it should cost right now. So still a little bit cheaper than what it was originally, but they're kind of shifting the prices around. This is probably so they can start making a profit, right? Okay, but I think this is November, so let's go back like we've done in months before, and we'll review October's first, and we'll talk about what we did and what we had, and I'll show you what was done. So first off, we got 5 balls of yarn. The first ball we got was Red Heart Crochet, and it was to make this scarf that you guys already see me wearing. So this is what I had left of the crochet, a dinky amount of yarn. My scarf only reached, it was 6 inches wide, but it only reached to 60 inches long. And you can see how pretty that turned out. It looks almost purple on there, but it's not. It's just because of what I'm wearing. But I was concerned that it was going to be too long, but it's not. 60 inches long is about what I wanted, and I love it. It is super lightweight and just perfect. It's really pretty. So that was one ball of yarn. And then what else we got is we got 4 balls of this, and this is almost blank, of this baby or babe soft cotton worsted, and this is a number 4, and I got the color of candy corn. Love the color, not even gonna kid around, love the color because you know me, I like orange, and so I really enjoyed that color. And what they gave us with that was a couple of patterns, and this was an extra pattern that they gave, one for a hat. And then the next one they gave was for a pair of booties here. Well, they gave us this pattern similar to this last year, and I made them last year, so I didn't need to make them again this year. So, made something different. So first of all, I will say that I did make this hat. And I'm actually going to give it to my niece. And so I made the little beanie hat, and this is what the colorway looks like when it's made. And you can see how it's got the little spiral. This was a very easy beanie to make. It has the little spiral, and you can see the little edging down there. And it's very cute. I made it a little bit larger so she can use it. She's got a lot of hair. Unlike me, mine's just long. Hers is really bushy. And so she'll be able to wear that. And it's a little bit of a slouchy hat, so it'll slouch there in the back. So that was what I made for that. That took like a half a skein. And then with the rest of the 3.5 skeins, I made 2 pairs of leg warmers. That's right, I made some leg warmers. And the reason I did leg warmers, I'll let you look at the stitch there. This is pretty straightforward. It's double crochet, half double crochet, followed by a row of double crochet, and then every 3rd or 4th, I think, I can't remember which one I did a front post double crochet just to give it some interest. I just measured my thigh, or my calf, and then my ankle, and made the cuff and that, and I made 2 sets of these, one for my sister because she's a truck driver and her legs get cold in the truck, and then one set for me. And because it's cotton and acrylic, it won't be too hot. And so I was like, that's perfect. So I just had that little bit of yarn left over there, so I was super happy with that. So that was actually a very good month for me for what I made. So let's move on to next month, shall we? So this is a fatty. It was hard getting that picture in there because it was so fat. I'm telling you, this feels like cakes. And it's really, really light. So I'm going to go that it's probably acrylic, polyester, something like that. It is not a cotton this month. I'm just going to say that right out of the gate. It is not a cotton because it's just really light. So let's see what we got and what we're going to be making. See if we can get it open. Now, like I say, we should see the new price in here of $16.99. Now, see if the shipping went up. It's so tight. Hopefully, the shipping stayed the same. Sorry for all the... Well, that's kind of pretty. Let's see what we got. Looks like it might be a baby blanket. We'll see. Let's check the price first, okay? Yes, $16.99, $4.99 shipping, $21.98. Still cheaper than $22.94, so I'm still not unhappy. But let's see what we got. It looks like a Yarnspirations pattern. And this is the yarn. Let's take a look. I like blue yarn. Not sure if that's pink over there. I'm not real crazy about pink. But let's take a look and see what we got going on here. And so it looks like there's one ball, gentle ripple baby blanket. I probably won't make that because I made a baby blanket already, you guys remember? And I already gave it away. So I might probably make something a little bit different. So that is for one of these balls because I got to sync up pattern here. That first one, just Yarnspirations. The second one is from Moogly, so we have another Moogly pattern, so that I might make, right? And look at that. That looks like a whole bunch of V-stitches. Double crochet 2 together, a bunch of V-stitches, and it is a 2-row repeater for that one. And this other one, let's see how many row repeater. This looks like they're both 2-row repeaters. So either one of these would be super easy. And you know what, guys? Because these are Yarnspirations, these are out there in the wild, so they're free patterns out there to go get. Let's see what we got for yarn. Oh, that's pretty. That is soft. So that's one of the cakes there. And it is a big cake. It is that fleece type yarn, guys. Let me pull a strand out. So it's that kind of yarn. If you like this kind of yarn, you're going to be happy this month. It is Red Heart Fleece Hugs, 100% polyester, 415 yards. That is a lot of yardage. So because it's polyester and it's a size 4, I'm betting that it's machine wash. Let's see what the hook, yep, machine wash. And you can dry it in the dryer. This is in the color of Blue Jay. I think that's real pretty. You know what? I have some, I wonder if this is too thin for some blanket yarn that I have in the back to mix with that. That would be really pretty together. Let's see. Fleece Hugs. I think we're on a blanket roll, you guys. We did that the other month and now we're a blanket again. So, but I will be making some with that. So that's pretty. Let's look at this one. 415 yards. Let's look at the other color. And it's saying over here, Yarnspirations, that each one of these goes up for Yarnspirations for $12.24 a piece. That's what they're going for retail at Yarnspirations. So it's probably $12.99. So we're in there for price, definitely in there. Look at this, guys. Look at that color. I love those grays in there. And that pink is really almost an orangey pink. I don't know if it's coming through okay. Maybe if I back it up a bit. It's really thin though. I'm not sure that I'd go with that as a 4, maybe because they're counting that fur. But yeah, I think we're in there for price point. We're $12.99, $12.49 to $12.99, so we're at $25. The patterns of this month were free because they're out there in the wild, so we're in there for price point. I am not unhappy with what I got. I will see what I'm going to make. It's a perfect time of the year to make some type of a blanket, which is probably what I'll make. It just won't be a baby blanket, probably something bigger. So we'll see next month what I end up with. But come on back next month and we'll see what I make with these colors. All right, y'all. Have a fantastic day and happy crocheting. Bye.